I need to clean my freaking room. I always clean it like here and there, but I never like actually like clean it. Like I need a deep clean right now. Like something in my soul is just telling me deep clean that hoe. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just did my nails. I have a video on my TikTok and on my Instagram. And I posted a short on here showing my little process of doing them. They are not my favorite nails, but they are super freaking cute. Like I'm kind of obsessed a little bit. I don't know. I wasn't at first, but now looking at them more, like I'm just like, they're so cute. Anyways, that's beside the point. We are going to deep clean my room. It's springtime, so it's a little spring deep clean. I do have a lot of stuff I need to clean up tonight, as in like everything that I use for my nails. But besides that, I think I'm gonna start tomorrow and just kind of do the little stuff tonight. Let me shut up and let's get started. Okay, we're not going to talk about my McDonald's that's sitting up there. I still need to eat dinner, but all of this clothes in here is clean and I need to make space to fit it in my drawers because my clothes either goes here, which as of right now, since it's still like winter, I have like all my sweatshirts and jackets, but I still have to hang some of them, obviously. Eventually I'm going to switch that out for summer stuff once it starts getting warmer, but as of right now, this stuff does not fit in my drawers. I don't even know what that is. I need to figure out some way to organize this. I'm planning on getting rid of this desk and getting a different one. And then I just kind of need to go through these and clean those. We're not going to talk about my unhealthy addiction, but I do need to dust, obviously. And I just need to do like an overall clean. I have my thread-up boxes still sitting over there. There's me in the window. Anyways, I have all my thread-up boxes still sitting in that corner that have been there for like 3 weeks now. And then lots of trash, more of my McDonald's that I've been snacking on. This drawer that I was just putting all my nail stuff in, I have a lot of nail stuff. So I definitely need to go through this and kind of organize that. But as of right now, my drawers are literally like, they're all coming out together, so I definitely need to go through some of my clothes. But for right now, I'm just gonna take a shower and get ready for bed because I have to be up super early tomorrow. I have to take my mom to work, and then I have some appointments that I have to go to, and I just really don't want to be tired, and I want to get more than 3 hours of sleep tonight. So I'm gonna do that, and then tomorrow, once I'm done with everything, then we'll come back to my room and actually start the deep clean process. So it's been like 3 or 4 days now and I still haven't cleaned my room, so today we're actually getting it done. So the room is finally clean, so I can't complain too much anymore. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like right now. This is all the trash that I have to take out. It's like, I think like 10 o'clock at night right now, so I'm not taking all of this to the dumpster right now. But this is how the room is looking. I actually have somebody coming this Thursday, or this Friday, sorry, yes, this Friday, to come look at my desk and take this one. Hopefully, fingers crossed, because I just want to get rid of it. And I'm gonna get the same desk that I used to have at my grandma's house. It was, I think, like the Mickey is what it was called, but it's the same color as this one. I found my weekend poster, so I need to get a frame so I can hang that up. But besides that, everything is dusted nice and pretty. We made the bed. I dusted literally everything off. I cleaned the windows. I can't reach up there, so I just left it, but basically from like right here down, I cleaned. Nothing here really needed to be cleaned because I literally just built this thing, and it's nothing here really gets touched that often, so it's fine. Everything, like I said, is dusted off. I even went through underneath my bed, so that's a little bit more organized too. That's where most of these boxes and most of this trash came from, was under my bed, because I was just shoving shit down there. I did do my drawers. They're all basically separated, and I cleaned out this whole entire bottom drawer because it used to just be like my junk drawer, and I just put all my jeans in here instead. And then over here I have my unnecessary amount of PJs that I just will never get rid of any of my PJ tops or bottoms because I have a problem. Down here it is still a little bit stuffed, but I at least was able to get all of my laundry put away. So I have it separated. Like there's long sleeves in there, there's bodysuits in here, and then there's dresses in there. So yeah, basically everything is organized and clean. Like I said, I just need to get that new desk. Hopefully this lady will take this one because it's literally brand new, and I'm selling it for like $15 cheaper than what I got it for. So sounds like a steal to me, brand new, already put together. So I just am waiting to get that desk, and then I need to get a frame for my weekend poster because he is going up again. Yeah, there's no question about it, he's going up again. I need to take the trash out, and then I also do have some like clear acrylic shelves, but I have to have my landlord come over and put those in because I'm not gonna mess with the walls. And he said something about the walls being weird and if we need anything like drilled in to ask him for help, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm planning on putting the acrylic shelves like right here above my makeshift bar cart for the time being until I find one that I actually like. But I'm gonna put the clear acrylic shelves up there to display some of my record vinyls like above my record player because that would just be cute. And my grandma is sending me 7 more so I think I'm gonna have about like 20 vinyls, and that's just super exciting. I love vinyls. But yeah, the room is finally done after like a week of procrastinating it. I will post a video once I get the new desk in here, and I do want to try and rearrange my room, just because I am not like a huge fan of the layout right now, but we shall see. I will keep you guys updated. If you haven't already, I uploaded my spend the weekend with me video this Sunday, so if you haven't watched it already, make sure you go watch it. Yeah, so stay tuned for the rearranging and my spend the weekend with me next weekend.